Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Kayla, and in this video, we are actually going to be playing some Adopt Me. I've never played Adopt Me on my channel before, so I just thought that it would be really great to start. So let's go ahead. This video is my morning routine with my dog. So here's my dog. His name is Max, and it is full grown. He's actually a really good boy, and he does listen to me. He's actually not the type of dog that doesn't listen or stuff. But yeah, so let's go ahead and head to school because Max just said it's time for school. So I guess it is time for school, and Max just loves to walk. So I guess he can just walk on the leash, and me, I'm not too good at Adopt Me, and I only have a bike that I can use. I don't have anything else. So me and Max just always do a quick walk to school. And this is usually how it is. So it's not anything fancy or stuff like that. It's just a really simple, quick walk. Okay, so me and Max are at school now. We're right in front of the school building, and Max loves school. Like, when it's time for school, he's actually really excited for it. I always keep him in this little class, and I just actually let him get some sleep, and I just usually go out and I leave. But I actually come back in a few minutes because I just sometimes go to the pet shop to get Max some pet food because right now in my backpack we don't have that much pet food. We only have like 5 more bags of pet food. So I'm just coming here to get a little bit more pet food. Just maybe like 3 more bags, and then that should be enough. And then I can go back and pick up Max. So now that we have the pet food, let's go ahead and pick up Max. He should be done with school about right now. So, yeah. Looks like he just finished school, and it's time to pick him up, and we need to go eat. Good thing I got some pet food because he's already hungry. He's usually always hungry. This is usually a snack time. So I'm going to give him some food. He loves these cute little treats, and I love them too because they look so cute of how they're shaped and stuff. So yeah. So right now I actually like to carry him or maybe put him in a stroller because there are a lot of sick and nasty dogs around or pets, and sometimes I just don't like getting Max near them because then he actually does catch something from them and will get sick. So I try my best not to get him sick. And I went to the hospital the other day and just picked up a few apples for him. So yeah, so now whenever he gets sick, I can just feed it. So now me and Max are at home, and Max isn't too tired, but he just actually hasn't had much to eat. That was just a nice quick snack. So he can just come over here and eat. While Max is eating, I'm actually going to relax. I usually never get a chance to take a shower or anything, so right now I'm going to. Looks like Max is pretty hungry, and he's sleepy too. So let's get him to eat, and I'm going to take him a bath. So now he's pretty hungry, or pretty tired, but I'm just going to take him a quick bath. And now we're just going to head to sleep. His bedtime is actually pretty early. But now he's hungry, which is really weird. Max is actually a growing fennec fox. So I actually don't blame him for being hungry like all the time. He ate pretty fast, and I think it was just like a small little snack. Because if I just fed him, I don't think he should still be hungry. So now that Max is sleeping, I guess I should sleep too. Usually in the middle of the night, Fennec Fox, Max would wake me up and say that he's thirsty, and now it's time for a bath. So good morning, guys. It is Tuesday, the second day of our week, and Max just woke up being very thirsty, and he needs a shower. So, yeah. Let's go ahead and get him a shower. So right now he's just in the bath. Guess I can have mine too. So now while Fennec Fox takes his bath, I'm actually going to go get changed upstairs. So now that Fennec Fox is done taking a bath, we're actually going to head to the playground. Because, I mean, he's been a really good boy all week. He went to school, and so, yeah. We're going to actually head to the playground, but, yeah. So I'm actually going to ride my bike, and then I'm gonna put him on my leash. He just loves this because whenever I ride my bike, he always has to run behind me, and he just loves having to run very fast to catch up with me. So yeah. So Max is actually begging me for some lemonade, so why not? Plus, it's really cheap. So here, let's go ahead and give him the lemonade. Okay, come on, Max, let's head to the park. So guys, it is Wednesday and Max does want to go to the park again. But guys, we've been at the park yesterday and I mean, we already went, so I think we should just head to the pool party. I mean, what's so wrong about the pool party? So we're gonna go ahead and head to the pool party. So as you're now at the pool party, and Max is really excited, but somebody just sent me a trade request. So I guess I'm gonna have to trade something. Okay guys, so it's time to get in. Come on, Max. Max loves swimming. It's one of his favorite things to do. He also loves the slides, so yeah. Okay guys, so it's Thursday and me and Max usually go grocery shopping on Thursdays. So this is actually the time where we actually just get out of the house and just go grocery shopping. So guys, it's Friday and me and Max usually always go camping on Fridays. So right now we are actually heading camping right now. So yeah. So the campsite is right over there. It's actually really near our house, but Max just loves camping. He just loves getting away from the house and roasting marshmallows and everything like that. So come on, Max, let's just go ahead and enjoy this. So guys, right now me and Max are roasting some marshmallows, and I'm not a big fan of marshmallows, so after roasting them, I always just give them to Max, and he just gobbles them up. Seriously, guys. So now I guess it's time for some sleep. So guys, Fennec Fox didn't really get much sleep last night. And it is time for school. He needs a shower. He's very sleepy. So right now I'm just going to put him in his tent and let him get some rest. So, yeah. Well, looks like somebody already took it before me could. So, come on. Let's just get in that. You know you're really late for school. He's really late for school. So I'm just trying to hurry up because this usually never happens. Saturdays are the worst days for school because Fennec Fox has had an amazing week and he does not want to go back to school. So, come on, Max. I know you don't want to go to school. Come on. But right now, guys, he really does have to go to school and he needs a shower and stuff. But we're like really late for school right now and I don't think we have enough time for a shower, although it's like really nasty for him like not go to school with other dogs and like not have a shower. But guys, I really don't have a choice right now. So we're like running to school. So we're running to school right now. I just have to cross this bridge and school is ahead of us. There it is, you guys. Ugh, he feels sick. I told you guys that he shouldn't be around those kids. Those sick dogs. There's probably a lot more sick dogs in here. We're probably making a lot of them sick. Yep, a lot of people in here are sick. Okay, it looks like he's really sick. I should just let him get some rest. And I guess I can just find some healthy apples in here. Give him. Wait, I don't have any more. Oh, guys, we have to head to the hospital. I always have those little nice and healthy stuff, but now I don't. Okay, guys, so right now Fennec Fox is actually really sick, and I feel really bad because I let him stay at that camping site where a lot of dogs were there, sick dogs and stuff like that. So that's how he got sick, and plus he hasn't even had a shower. So we're gonna have to quickly head into this hospital. We need to see Dr. Nee right now. Or Dr. Hart. Excuse me, Dr. Hart, can you please heal? Yeah, hi. Yes, please heal. Thank you. So looks like Fennec Fox is healthy now, but we're gonna go pick up some nice and healthy apples here. He's very hungry, and I can imagine. So, because like he's been sick, so I don't blame him for being hungry because he's been sick all day. So we're gonna go pick up some of these healthy apples. Okay guys, it's sleep-in Sunday and me and Max are just relaxing because on Sundays we just go to sleep and forget about everything. Thank you guys so much for watching this amazing video. If you want any more of me, make sure to comment down below. And next video, bye!